Describe the events taking place during interphase. So students, now let us learn what are the different types of events that takes place during the interphase. So here is a cell cycle. So the complete cell cycle is divided into two parts. One is the interphase and the other one is the M phase. The M phase represents mitosis or meiosis. So before a cell divides, it prepares itself for division. So this phase in which the cell prepares itself for division, so this phase is called interphase. So interphase is further divided into three substages. It is called G1. So here the G represents for growth, or it can be called as gap also. So it is either called G1 growth phase or gap 1 phase. Now this is followed by second phase, which is called S phase. So S stands for synthesis. So here the DNA is synthesized. And the third one is G2, that is second growth or second gap phase. So here the cell finally it prepares for division. Now let us see each phase in detail. Let us observe G1 phase. So G1 is nothing but growth 1 or gap 1. So during this phase, the cell doubles all the organelles, that is the content of the cytoplasm is increased and it accumulates material for the next stage. So in the next stage, DNA is getting synthesized. So the material which is required for the DNA synthesis will be produced during the growth 1 phase. So the cytoplasmic content as well as the enzymes or proteins which are involved in DNA replication will be produced during the growth 1 phase. Now in the synthesis phase, this is the most important part of the interphase. Here the complete set, that is the DNA, will be doubled. So this process we call it as replication. A new set of DNA will be synthesized. And the third part of the interphase, the final part, that is G2 phase, the second growth or second gap phase. So here now the cytoplasm and the DNA both are ready. Now the cell should prepare for division. So the materials which is required for cell division, it can be proteins like microtubules and other things which are required for division. So that will be synthesized during the G2 phase. So the growth and final preparation for division. So these are the three phases. Together G1, S and G2 phase forms interphase.